Tennessee is in a state of emergency ahead of the winter storm.
This has the potential to be a serious winter weather event. Our crews are on the job.
The governor says he is coordinating with federal, state, and local officials.
The level 3 state of emergency means Tennessee's emergency management plan has been activated.
He's freezing, bro. You don't see him different up there?
All right, bro, we got beers.
Ay, ¿estás listo? Hey, man, ¿estaba tan mal?
I'm gonna do it. Hey, y'all ready? I'm not fucking pussy like you, boy. You pussy. Mira, hey. Mira. Borracho, la verga, mira. Ah, look at this cool, man. That's awesome shit, mira. Boom. Bro. Oh, shit's cool.
Neta que yo no creo que voy a hacerlo, güey.
Sí vas a poder, corre.
You're pussy, bro. Bro, yes you can, bro.
No, I can't. I really can't, bro. I can't lie to you. Like, I'm scared of heights. I can't do it. Let me take this off.
But do it for real, bro.
Oh no, man.
It's not that, bro, just do it. Look, all this fucking botas y todo para no brincar nada.
Nah, man.
Yo no.
Si tienes guantes y no quieres brincar, pues que me lo prestes.
Tus manitas.
What, bro?
Tus manitas preciosas.
¡Ey! ¡Te me caes de la verga, vato! Ya, cállate, ya. ¡Ey! No me hagas gritar enfrente de los niños, vato. No me hagas gritar, vato. Por favor, cálmate. ¿Eh? ¡Calmar nada, mierda!
Apurle, vato. Ok, ya tienes miedo.
No, you, bro.
Este güey tiene
You
miedo.
dead ass pussy, bro. You.
Tiene miedo este güey.
Mira, tan alto para que sea así de miedoso, nah, man.
Pues sí, por eso.
¿Para qué estás alto, vato?
Es
¿Para
que
qué?
Para tener más miedo.
Para tener más miedo. ¡Come mierda! ¡No me estés jodiendo la vida, mierda! All right, now what?
Ahora ¿qué más se puede hacer en la nieve?
Oh shit!
Man.
All right, man.
It's so fucking cold out there. Hey, shut lock my door.
Yeah, I
What
mean,
if a homeless just comes?
yeah, oh yeah, you sleeping in that bitch.
I'll meet y'all wherever. My crib, it don't matter.
We got 2 girls with us too.
Bro,
No, with us, bro, but we picking them up, bro.
I fuck it, I guess. Y'all gonna make it lit now.
What you mean though?
What you mean?
It's for us.
I know, bro. What you mean, bro? I'm like,
You're gonna try to take my bitch, bro.
We got fucking, what's his name? Larry over here.
Nike ski mask, bro.
What you mean not Nike, man? What is it right there?
When'd you buy it?
See, like 2 years ago.
You just
I
got it, bro.
had to hit a leak. Oh, you got me fucked up, bro.
Do I fit, bro?
No, hell yeah. If you sit in the middle, yeah.
Hey, put my backpack over here then. Put my backpack over here.
Ain't no way I'm.
Hey, Louis, you going first, bro.
I'm not going.
You
bro.
go.
I'm telling you, bro.
What the fuck?
Hey,
You got me fucked
That
up.
shit cuts off.
You got me fucked up.
Like, that's it, look. It's not even...
That is not the same hill,
It's
bro.
the same fucking hill.
No, it's not, bro.
From all the way up here.
oh my.
Should we do it?
We're gonna do it.
We have no other choice now. We already
No.
here.
Sled.
All right, here.
Gotta warm up.
Do some push-ups, bro. Some jumping jacks.
Chill, we warming up. We gotta get our drinks in.
Oh, this is the bummer. What if fucking Chloe not gonna pull up, right?
Even if they do, bro, we're outside.
But we drinking outside though.
Bro, that's
Fuck.
They ain't no fucking fair gonna come up here and see us and be like, let's get them, you know what I'm saying?
Let's get him.
But my boy's scared.
Bro, quit telling me I'm scared, bro. I'm gonna do it, bro. Like, y'all ain't gotta worry, bro. I'm gonna be the first one.
Let's show the camera what his gloves looking like today.
You going first, right?
I thought we were going at the same time.
How are we going at the same time?
Oh, he said that 2 people can be on there.
He said you and him.
Yeah, because he's scared. You know, daddy's got to hold.
Daddy gotta hold on.
I thought I was gonna hold on to you.
That's what I'm
I
saying.
said.
You're holding on to me.
Okay,
You holding
okay.
on to
I'm
dad.
dead.
Who's going first?
I already said, I'll take my son.
Okay, you going with him first?
Yeah.
All right, bet.
So we're gonna motherfucking go down this big, right?
Hold on.
Oh shit! Hold on! Hold on! This is scary, bro. Bro, please. I don't want to do this, bro. Bro, please.
No, put your leg.
Hold on, don't go there. Hold on.
I can't get off.
Hold on.
I can't get off.
Hey, hold on. Get your. No. Hey, hold on. Vamos a cartón. Vamos a cartón. Are you ready? Hey, you got it. Just go at all fours.
No, please no. Please no, bro.
Punch him! Hey! Wait, why are you getting off?
Hey, that shit got scarier. That shit got. We're gonna do it, bro. We're gonna go down this one, though. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared. I've never been scared in my life to do a sled.
Come on. You ready, bro?
I ain't gonna lie. This one look better.
Hey, come on.
Fuck! I swear I thought I was going, bro. Wow, man. Up there, bro.
It would have been funner.
Hey, did that hurt?
Bud?
Yo, I know you. That shit hurt your shit.
You like a little bit here. There.
Gloves on.
Hey, that's why, fool.
And then, what about the camera? The camera's fine?
Yeah, that's good.
You thought what, bro? What you thought?
Oh, I don't know, bro. I just thought I seen him like flip over.
Oh!
Yeah, I heard him.
I just seen you like balance and shit, bro.
He was like, oh, I was like, oh.
How the fuck? My dude right here got an icicle on his head.
No way.
He got an icicle on his head.
Oh! I ain't gonna lie.
Stabbed in your
Dude,
head,
that's
though.
just stabbed. It's like a dead ass bullet.
A stab?
I'm not even kidding. No, that's a bullet. Hey, bro, show him, bro. Look, that shit was in your.
That shit was in you.
He had an inch in him. He had an inch in him, no cap.
That's like 3. No,
That's like what,
Nah,
an inch and a half?
My bad,
That's
Steve.
like-
That's like 6.
I know 3 inches.
That's how I got my number. Do you want some tacos?
Yeah, go.
I thought we was gonna like break our leg.
Yeah. No, I didn't think we were gonna break a leg, but I just.
Nah, that's what I'm saying. I thought y'all was gonna bounce back at first till I see that push it in.
And we stayed in.
Yeah.
Con un blontezón, me la rola diario todo aquí tranquilo. Me la paso disfrutando de ese buen calor. Aquí en